Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Report, and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and watch your children, please. Find life unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
We have been unavoidably detained by frantic spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all soon.
of every size.
I heard doors creak and the tombstones quake.
Happy moments materialize. Time begin to filterize. We're free, let's come out to now close your eyes and we'll try to hide for the silly spook may sit by your side. Shrouded in a dark disguise, they pretend to terrorize. Bring the ghost around with surprise. The doctors are going to as a woman, I was little thing. I wasn't nothing. Bring me straight to the eye. She get on all night. Bring me your costume so alive.
There's a little magic where a Hitch Hikers goes. They have selected you to fill our home, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by stepping away from the car.
Take care, my friend.
Hurry back. Be sure to bring your death certificate. If you decide to join